Cirrus clouds are thin and wispy. They require a completely different approach than fluffy cumulus clouds. And to keep clouds from looking flat too, and often build them in transparent and sweeping layers to blending the edges softly into the blue sky so they appear ethereal. The feathery appearance of cirrus clouds at high-level clouds, they are so high they catch the first rays of morning dawn and the light long after sunset. When the sun sits low on the horizon, it light travel through a thick layers of atmosphere. The shorter colors scatter away, leaving the longer wavelengths and light up the ice crystals in the cirrus clouds. Pink clouds can often be cirrus clouds, but not every pink cloud is one. The pink color is not a specific cloud type, instead it's a sunset or sunrise effect where the low sun colors the clouds. A cloud turns pink because of the way sunlight scatters during sunrise and sunset. When thin, high-altitude cirrus clouds frequently display vibrant pink and orange hues too. Lower cloud types can also appear pink under the right atmospheric conditions. So pink clouds can be cirrus clouds, but pink is not a specific cloud type. Just to tell if a pink cloud is cirrus, first look for texture. They will look thin, wispy or feathery, like often described as looking like strands of hair or a hairstyle. Check the timings. The true cirrus clouds stay brightly lit with pink or red tones long after lower clouds have already faded into grey or darkness. So the weather changes typically predicted by a sudden build-up of cirrus clouds. Then science behind cloud irresidence, which produces pastel rainbow-like colors in the sky. The role high-altitude ice clouds play in the trapping heat and impacting Earth's climate. The science behind cloud iridescence, which produces pastel rainbow-like colors in the sky.